My name's Trent. I'm a senior business administration with specialization in healthcare management pre-DPT major. My internship's at Patriots Cove. Patriots Cove is a nonprofit organization for first responders and veterans, and we prioritize the veterans and we take them hunting and fishing, and then also we do a bunch of different events with them as well. I chose Patriots Cove just because I always had a strong grasp towards veterans. I always liked giving back to them. They gave the ultimate sacrifice, and served and gave all kinds of sacrifices to have the freedoms we have today. So I always wanted to make a difference in that. So I was looking around the area, and I'm a very outdoorsy person. So Patriots Cove is right up my alley with the different services and stuff they provide, such as hunting, fishing, different events, such as fly tying and other things like that. So it was right up my alley. One skill I learned through this internship was definitely how to connect with people on all levels. It could be anywhere from donors, donating to projects, or just veterans talking about their experiences and listening to what they have to say. Because a lot of times those people don't have the support system they necessarily need or have. So just being a person or being a warm body to just listen to what they're saying and communicate has made a total difference. At Patriots Cove, I've been involved in many projects such as Fish for the Falling tournaments. So what we do there is we get different businesses to sponsor different teams, and we take veterans out, and it could be anywhere from people that have nothing wrong with them to people that are paraplegics. So everything we have is wheelchair accessible. So that was also an awesome project that I was a part of. And then I was also a part of different projects, such as right now we're constructing a brand new lodge, and we're working on building our endowment. So those are our two big projects going on now. And then upcoming, we have an underwater observatory that will be built here at the end of May. So I'm working on that currently. I've grown so much through this internship just by making those connections and by listening to those people and those lifelong lessons that they don't teach in school. There's certain things that can be said and there's certain things that can't be said. You just have to go out and experience that. And the experiences I got through talking with donors, meeting with different businesses, working on endowments, working on donations versus talking to veterans, just hearing what they have to say, just sharing that camaraderie of different things like that. So the internship placement department had helped me with mock interviews, build my resume, I was asking them questions, what to expect. I mean, they're all great down there. They all do a great job. They really prepare you for an internship. If you want one, I highly would recommend it because it changed my life forever.